Hello everyone. If your Makita battery stopped working,
or you have a fake battery with very bad capacity.
you might not need to replace it. You can actually fix it with a simple method. This isn't a full professional rebuild, just a basic way to bring a dead battery back to life. Quick warning: lithium batteries can be dangerous. Avoid short circuits and don't rush anything. Step 1. Open the battery. Start by removing the screws and opening the case. Go slow here. You don't want to damage the contacts inside. Step number 2. Check inside. Look at the battery cells. Most fake batteries use cheap cells, and sometimes they are already worn out. Also check the connections. Some might be loose and poorly attached. Step 3. Removing bad cells. First of all, start removing the metal strips connecting the battery cells. Be very careful here because a short circuit can cause sparks or even an explosion. Try to remember the polarity and position of each cell. Or even better, take a quick photo so you can put everything back the same way later. Step number 4. Add new cells. Now it's time to install the new cells. One thing I always do, I add an insulating ring on the positive terminal of each cell. This helps with both insulation and heat resistance, especially when the battery is used with a power tool under heavy load. Next, make sure all your cells are same type and at the same voltage. That's very important if you want to have the battery pack to last longer and stay stable. And that's basically the basic prep before we rebuild the pack. Step 5. Connect everything. Now, I'm going to connect everything back together using a spot welder. I weld the cells in the correct order. Just follow along. Step 6. Almost done. Alright, we're almost done. After welding the cells and reconnecting everything to the circuit, I add 2 either foam pads on the sides of the battery pack. This helps keep everything tight inside the case and prevents movement or vibration during use. Step 7. Test. Alright, let's test it. First, I'm going to run it on this small fan. Yeah, everything looks smooth and stable. Now, since I don't have a Makita tool with me, I'm using a Hilti or Milwaukee. I'm going to use this setup to simulate a load. I'll connect the battery, adjust the current, and set a cut-off voltage. Alright, let's start. Let's see how it performs. So the voltage is stable and reduce slowly and slowly. Really stable. Final thoughts. This is just a simple method, not a perfect fix, but in many cases, it's enough to make the battery usable again. And if you want to see how this battery performs under real stress, check out the next test. See you, bye bye, have a nice day.